I'm gonna fly the X5C on a very windy day. Let's see. Still work. Finding. Working. Let's see if those birds will fly. Ah, this one's not working. Is it? Not too high. Wind is so strong. If it's strong, I drop it. Drop it. Then fly. Drop it. Fight it back. Drop it, drop it. You see the wind is still fighting. Coming. Coming. Flip it. Flip it. Flip it. Come back. Ah, the wind is strong. So I should be fighting this like this. Change of orientation. Still, you see, I'm already pushing it hard. Ah, the wind is strong. Gotta lower it down, lower it down. Lakas ng hangin, eh, nauwak ko. Wow, nilalabanan. The bird is fighting. Malaban. Iikutan natin ang acrobat. Ayan na, the bird is flying again, the crow. And there are two birds flying. The crows are flying this and thought it's another bird. See how strong it is? I'm gonna lower it down now. At least have a safe landing. Lower it. Lower. Ah, so strong. So strong. Yeah. So the wind is very strong. So do the orientation here. Oops, wrong orientation. So we're gonna fight against the wind. Not too high. Lower. So fight it. Up, left, right, left. Let's forget that orientation. Close. Never fly in very strong winds, my friends, unless you're very good. You have good pilot skills. It's still wind is so strong. Ang lakas na hangin. Very strong winds even with full throttle. Again. Forward flip. Boom. 3 meters high. Should be 3 meters high. Now you can do flips. Flip. Orientation. Let's see if the crow would fight again. Strong winds. I'm gonna put it near the soil, so Up, gonna lower it down. There's the crow again. There's the crow again. Gonna flip that thing. Up, right is left, left is right. I lost the orientation. Oh, fight. Fight. Come to daddy. There's that crow. We're gonna fight that crow. Strong winds. Lakas ng hangin. Lumalaban eh. Push it back. You see it's already pushing back, but the wind is still strong. Ayaw bumalik. Come back. Fight the wind. Fight the wind. Fight the wind. Still lowering down to fight the wind. Lessen the draft. Come to daddy. Flip it. Still strong winds. Very strong winds. No more battery.